for joining me for another unboxing. How you doing? You okay? How's your weekend going so far? And if you're working this weekend, thank you so much for your service. Right, some new machines in the den. A very dear friend of the channel gave me an opportunity to purchase some razors off him as he's shortening his collection to a 12-month rotation, and he made me an offer I couldn't refuse. Jay Fett, and for those of you that watch regular, you'll know Jay. He's loaned me, he's been a great contributor to the channel, loaning me different razors and soap sets and everything, and I've managed to purchase some razors off him. On loan to me, if you've seen the last unboxing, was the Yates brass with the charcoal goods handle. I've now purchased this and I haven't even used it yet. I absolutely love the look of it. It's got that classic vintage look. So I'm looking forward to using this. Now these are the purchases. Obviously I've blanked out the addresses. This came yesterday. I am so looking forward to this. I've got Draper to help me, as always. So how's the shaves going, guys? Alright? I hope so. I've been looking forward to seeing this box, actually. Airflow art. Thank you, granddaughter, for me, Jay, for providing the box. Right, let's get this open. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try these. That's a good sturdy box. Right. Let's come open a tad. Box is a bit battered, but hey ho. At least it's still got the box. I'm not going to show you yet. I'll get everything out first. So you've seen the first razor, the Yates. Looking forward to that. Right, I'll save that one till last. I'll know when I open them. Yeah, I know what this one is. I've just seen the end of the handle. Right, the second one I bought is... I know what you're thinking, but it's not. It's not the Outlaw. This is the home-like shaving. And I'll just show you. Just take that off. This is the home-like shaving. Get it the right way round. I still need an eye test. I've been saying it for about a year. Yes, I thought it was. I've used this. I've borrowed Paul H's home-like shaving kit off him, and this was one of the plates that was in it. It was the 0.90mm. And it is a great feel on the skin. It's a good shave. So it's the home-like shaving with the Alpha handle. Outlaw, if you like. That's why I mentioned it, because they're the same handle. But the whole razor, stainless steel, but it's in a brushed matte. I've not seen a brushed matte, so I'm assuming it's a tad rare. So I'm looking forward to trying that. It looks a beautiful razor. As always with the home-like, very shallow profile on the head, but such a comfortable shave. So that's the two, the Yates and the Homelight. And I know what this is. And any of you regular viewers, in the last few videos, I've seen me use this because it was a loan from Jay. And it's the winner razor. I was impressed with this, and as soon as he mentioned that he had it up for sale, I jumped at it. And it does have the same feeling as a Henson. I've not used a Henson and I don't use one, but people, you guys, explain that it has like a suction feeling on the skin, which holds the blade close to the skin throughout the shave. So I had to have it. This is a very well balanced razor. So if you ever get the chance, guys, it's beautiful. All stainless steel, these razors, guys. Well, the last two are. the Yates is a brass. There's the plate. Beautifully designed. I thought these tiny holes, the leather channels, would have been a problem, but it wasn't. It was a beautiful shave. I'm now a proud owner of it. Right, pièce de résistance. Above the tie. I'm not going to open that bit. This is the razor. Above the tie. Wow, that is a beautiful razor. Can't get it out of the box. Well packaged. I literally can't get it out of the box. God, it's not moving anywhere. I love that. Homelight shaving. I actually forget the name of it. I know it's bronze. It's bronze plated. It's stainless steel. It's 303 stainless steel, and it's bronze coated. It's got the 3-inch alpha handle. I honestly forget the name of it now, but that looks absolutely beautiful, and it comes with 3 plates, guys. What a stunning looking razor. It feels great in the hand. I haven't even shaved with it. What plate's this? The 50 plate. There you go. 0.50. I think if I remember, Jay, this is the B plate, is it? Compared to a carve. What else we got? What's that, the 50? Oh, actually, yeah, my mistake. It has the R just here. That's like a C plate on the carve. This is 0.50 millimeter with an M. So that's the B plate. And the H, 0.50, yeah, they are. The H is the most aggressive. I don't know. I can't remember what plate it was on the carve with that one. I am so looking forward to using these guys. Obviously they're going to be sterilised and cleaned before I use them. But thank you so much, Jay, for giving me the opportunity to purchase these off you. And I'm sorry about this one, Sig. I know you wanted it. Oh, I'll leave that open. See if I can get it out the box. That was easy. I thought this was the razor to start with. Where'd the nugget come from? You know I hate nuggets. You put that in on purpose. There's 2 of them! These are going to look great in the den. If you can get them open. Got no grip on my fingers, guys. Above the tie comes with... Make sure I've got it the right way if you can see it. I think I'm going to polish these up, guys. Comes with the inkwell stand. What a beautiful stand that is. Although I'm not a lover of the razor going all the way into the stand. I like it like the Pearl. Is it the Pearl? Is it the Pearl Flexi that just has a stud and it sits on top of it in case it damages? But what a beautiful looking razor, guys. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and please join me when I'm going to be trying these out and using these fantastic razors. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Might see you tomorrow. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Right, that's it. Enjoy your weekend, guys, if I don't see you tomorrow. And stay smooth and stay safe. See you guys. Bye now.